Tonight's main course is a nice juicy ribeye steak, looking good. If you want to see how we cook this ribeye, stay tuned. Follow this video and you can make your own. Here we have some beautiful, yum. We have 3 nice ribeye steaks, nice and thick, juicy. That looks beautiful. What we did here, we coat the top of the ribeyes with olive oil, and then we sprinkled on sea salt, pepper, and that's it. If you want to add a little bit of garlic powder, onion powder, it's up to you. But we're just sticking with sea salt, pepper, and that's fresh pepper, cracked pepper, and olive oil. And we let that sit for about 15, 20 minutes. Give it a light marinade, and then after that, we're going to heat up a pan and sear it on both sides. We turn the burner of our stove onto medium-high heat. Going to place our nice big pan on top. After we get the pan hot, we're not adding any additional oil to the pan because remember, we marinated the steaks with olive oil and again, sea salt and pepper. So there's no need to put additional oil into the pan. Oh yeah, oh yeah. So we just sprinkle a little water in there, see where that heat is at, and it's ready. Ooh, look at them babies. Ah, nice. Those are some big ribeyes. Very nice. So on this side of the steak, we're adding pepper. And a little bit of salt. This is actually the other side of the steak, so looking good, looking good. Remember, we're cooking these steaks to sear. We're only going to sear the steaks. So meaning we want to make sure that the steaks are browned. Once this is brown, we're going to turn them over and we're going to sear the other side. We're going to check our steaks. It's been about 7 minutes. Okay, we're flipping them. They're looking good. Looking good and smelling good. Nice. Again, remember, depending on the thickness of the steak, is how long you want to, keep them in the pan or searing on each side. So in this case, these are really thick steaks and we're searing them for 7 minutes. And while that's being seared, we're preheating our oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit because we're going to take this pan and we're going to put it in the oven. Here we go. In goes the steak. Very nice. Okay, we're checking our steak. Nothing like some A1 steak sauce. Love A1 on my steak. Ooh, look at this. It's so good. It's dinner time. Time to cut into it. Well, bon appetit. Enjoy.